Magic Unicorn of Unpassive, 4 years in the making. A huge business, the biggest business ever created. Unpassive. This was made by John White and the extraordinary Bill Must. Watch it, you'll see what I mean. Yes!
In the summer of July 2018, something phenomenal took place. This event had occurred in the brain and heart of Mr. Ash Mufareh. Mr. Mufareh finally had something that he could call his own. So with hopes and dreams and incredible things that were in his mind, he started his very own platform to sell digital products. He laid the framework and eventually came up with the name ONPASSIVE. For a very long time he had become very successful in the accomplishments he had made, but for other companies that he had made successful online. He had been looking for something that he could give ordinary people that could contribute to their life for the betterment of their families and their families' legacy for generations. ONPASSIVE had entered the landscape of the internet by the genius known as Mr. Ash Mufareh. This was totally unexpected. He only wanted to help a few who had some aspirations about making money on the internet with a few tools that could help them out. He didn't expect this tiny seed to morph into a giant information and technology company that has the technology world on its heels. What started out as a company selling digital products, to the only company that offers its users a complete digital solution encompassing the ecosystem with over 50 state-of-the-art products, artificial intelligence and machine learning, technology-driven, built from the ground up by the best technology staff on the planet. For 4 years ONPASSIVE has been building up to this glorious time where ONPASSIVE is ready to open its massive doors to the world. ONPASSIVE, as of July 4, 2022, is celebrating 4 years of hard work and dedication by Mr. Ash Mufareh and his staff and the founders of ONPASSIVE. Congratulations Mr. Ash Mufareh and your family and staff for giving founders ONPASSIVE. The great part is that this is just the beginning of ONPASSIVE, the giant company with heart. Happy 4-year anniversary.